Street's vibrant secret. If you're ever in the mood for something a bit different, slip under Waterloo Station and lose yourself in Leake Street, affectionately dubbed the Graffiti Tunnel. It's like stepping into another world, one where the walls are splashed with every colour imaginable, and brand new murals pop up overnight. A top highlight for street art fans is the piece by artist Barky, which has somehow managed to survive in this kaleidoscopic mix of constantly changing creations. It's a badge of honour in an environment where paint flows freely, and no one piece stays around for long. Don't be surprised to spot families spending the afternoon here, children wide-eyed as they walk past fluorescent characters, swirling patterns and edgy designs. And if you fancy a break from all the visual overload, you can pop into the funky pub tucked away inside the tunnel. The vibe is chilled, and the decor is quirky, making it the perfect spot to grab a pint and soak up the lively atmosphere. Whether you're a dedicated graffiti geek or just looking for a fun day out, Leake Street offers an art experience unlike any other in the city. Take your time wandering through, hunt down Barky's enduring masterpiece, and if you're feeling brave, have a go with the spray cans yourself. Just remember to bring your camera, because around here, what's on the wall one day might be gone by the next. Address: Leake Street, Lambeth, London, SE 17NN. By Hiking in London Club,